So my name is Lucas Brimley. I'm a dentist here in Phoenix. And prior to this class, I had very little implant experience. I think I placed about 4 or 5 implants. So this class was much different than I expected. Kind of went in here a little blind, not knowing a whole lot about the class. And I thought I was going to get 2 or 3 steps into implants. It put me about 6 or 7 steps into implants. So those first 3 or 4 steps now seem super easy, super confident. So yeah, it was much different than I expected going in. So I think I placed about 20 or 25 implants over the course of the last 4 days. One of the things that Dr. Chaffin had discussed was just having the confidence to go in and complete a case. He's a very confident individual, and I have all the confidence that I can do just about any implant case that walks through my door now. Not needing to refer it, keep it in-house, and I think that's going to be great for me going forward. The atmosphere is very comfortable. Everyone is willing to help. There was never a moment where I thought I was, on my own or in need of assistance. There was always somebody there. You work with a half a dozen different instructors over the course of 4 days. Each one has a different, philosophy or experience in implants. You get to pick each other's brains, and you really develop a sense of where you're headed going forward. Dr. Chan's speech about bite and jaw relation was pretty mind-opening. There's so much information that you don't get taught in dental school about this. It really takes extra learning, and it involves so much, outside of your 2 jaws, and so to be able to put just a small portion of that into my practice going forward is gonna pay off huge dividends. So I would definitely recommend this course to anyone that has very little experience in implants or a lot of experience in implants. It really reinforces the ideas of full mouth reconstruction all the way down to single tooth replacement. It could help out your practice, any practice in the country, really.